Hello everyone. Happy weekend. Today I decided to make this video. I just, I and my family, we just decided to go to Chinese restaurants. Yeah, we say we'll go Chinese restaurants. Say today I don't want to cook, we want to eat different food. And it's not that we don't have food in the house, so we have everything. Anything we want, we have it in the house. That is why God will bless Europe, will bless Germany for us. We bless Germany. We pray for the land we are living in, because our land, our land, Nigeria, like what this musician sing that I will say they call the Poshora up and down, go Ghana. Nigeria scatter, na poor man they suffer, boza. Why I just say make I make this video, my people, because now. Boo now say Mazinani Kanu, go leave Mazinani Kanu, make it go. Go let my people go. Oh my God, I'm short of word anyway. You see people they suffer for Africa. People they suffer. Accident everywhere, people they die. If you go into social media now, even though you Facebook, you see a lot of bad things where they happen for Nigeria. And they call especially Nigeria, because Nigeria is the giant of Africa. So now, not be so they talk on. That's what they talk on, a giant of Africa. Accident they happen for road. Caterpillar they knock people, they press motor, people they die like fowl. Children were supposed to day school now. Look at my two children now. My two Obodo Yubo children when I born so. Anything they want, they get time. Anything they want, they do get time. Whether I work or not work, the government will support me. You want to talk about health? Yeah, they get card, now card. Now you just get to go to doctor if you're sick. Go show doctor. Say, doctor, I'm sick. I need medical care. They're not going to ask you for money. They say, bring your cranky card. Bring your doctor card. They will check computer, everything does show. Doctor will go attend to you. Then I waiting Mazinani Kanu to try to fight for the land of Biafra. Me, I not be Igbo. I be dead, I be Robo, pure Robo woman. Now you do so. Now they talk. Some people go they ask me, some Robo people go they ask me, say, you not be Robo, why they support Mazi? I say I don't go support Mazinani Kanu, our leader. Because he not take money, not take envelope. Not take envelope. If you not go to True Talk Margaret TV, if you not go to my channel now, see one video when I sing, where should they sing? They say Mazinani Kanu say they go America. If they go America, Biafra go come. You see those children, you see what they come for their mouth. If you look there, say you're gonna say they call it armed children, poor children. But they pull up for Mazinani Kanu. And Mazinani Kanu keep his promises. Not be say that man no go fit dey London to enjoy with his wife. We have very beautiful wife, black beauty woman. Beautiful, intelligent woman, but he decided to sacrifice. A lot of strong African men, they don't come outside to sacrifice for Africa. Now they set them up. There are people they close to them, and they set them up. When they say black man not guesses, not every black man not guesses. A lot of black men guesses, but now the people they betrayed them. Now the one they close to them, and they betray them. Although some black men just the money and woman. So far, you give the Europe woman, you give the Chinese woman, you give the African woman. They don't betray their brother when they close to them. They say for our Robo land, we make one parable say, na rat where they outside. So, like what I talk for my daughter distract me. Now, Mazinani Kanu see there for the DSS. I don't believe say they will still let Mazinani Kanu, our pressure leader, see there, because at that man they give all of us hope. Now they give us hope. Even me with yourself, they give me hope, because they give me hope for my family, my cousin, my sisters, my brothers, all my relation to the Africa. They give me hope. Say one day it will be better. Because not say, that is what I just try to say. If Biafra come now, imagine how the life could be. All our youth, they do kidnapping, they carry people, they do money, armed robber everywhere, no security. If Mazinani Kanu now, if we join hands together, we succeed to get that Biafra now. Even the debtors, all the some debtors people, they say they not be Biafra. Some Ijaw people, some Chekiri people will go join later. They go join later. Even though they don't want to be the Biafra, later we can, if they can make a decision, let's come together. And but we don't want to join. No, we can later separate ourselves. You understand? Eh? If me today they talk and say what they say, why they talk concerning Igbos, why they talk concerning we are one for me, we are one. We come out tribalism. Tribalism now they key everyone, now they key Africa and tribalism. Now maybe Biafra never still come. Tribalism, yeah. Tribalism betray selfishness. Okay, selfishness. See the cause. Jealousness. You see, the sickness of a black man too and a black woman is they can jealous each other. You see, God bless everybody with their own talent, and in every angle. Whether you go school, no go school, there's a talent God gives to you. Ask God to bring out that talent. If you see somebody where like Simon Ekman now, where we say go school, they bring most of the history where we say myself and don't know, they learn through him now. If you say, okay, let's learn from each other, then we go to jealousy each other. Let this one bring the talents or bring the talents together. Let's learn, let's come together, let's be team together and make sure. Say today you see Europa, they be team. That is why they are ruling the world. Okay? I don't know. I'm tired. I'm tired to see Africa all the time. They are hungry. You come to the first time I come to Europe, I was depressed and frustrated. You see young boys and young girls go to school, dating each other, kissing each other, showing love to each other. But in Africa, you don't see. You go see old man because of money we get. Small girls go they follow them. Because of money. All the old men say they don't want to give the young boys chance to get money. So like what I told before distraction come for my princess. Now we decided to make we go Chinese restaurants. Why we say some people for Africa, I will tell you say they never eat. They never eat for 2 days because me I don't go through it when I was a child, you know. It's not that our parents not the hustle, but the government not the support at all. The government not the support. Even most of us now where we there now, most of us God don't protect me myself. I talk myself say accident when I don't get. God protect me, say I not die, I not get serious injured. You know, me the country, if Nigeria, if Buhari no say make Nigeria or make we there together, I bet me they share, me they make Nigeria get money. Why some black men they just be selfish and greedy? Why you cannot just share this money, make it reach everybody? Now money be say they'll build schools, create good jobs. Make the street so that accident no go there. How do you see for Bodo Ibo yesterday they get accident? Now be say the person drink. Most of the accidents here the person drink. So make me say na road na not good. Now accident come say about caterpillar go just come for press human be for there. Even no ambulance, no help they come say they come rescue, no rescue. When small accident happen, before you see 2 minutes, 5 minutes, don't they hear win, they come. Police they come, doctor they come to rescue people. But Nigeria not be so. Now I decided to go Chinese restaurants and go and eat with my children. But Africa not be so. You will see onions. They say onions stand at 15 naira. Egg na 19 naira. Oh my God. I hear a story where they tell me about a small girl. His father na soldier army where Boko Haram key. They're not supporting this woman. This man is far with a small girl. Na gari na the man with oil. Na go the gari go fry gari with oil. Now with the picky go they eat. Me Margaret, true talk Margaret, I eat that when I this small. If you feel get gari, go fry am with small salt, come put oil, come fry am, come the pack and the chop. So far we don't see something, come drink water. When they tell me the small girls to the water come off my eye. See, it don't too much water. Now the pikin, when the mama mark, now the pikin say no, mama, no go eat. The mama can't they cry. You know, as a mother, it's painful. A mother, a father, it's painful. So now that I see my father, when I go red, I know say they cry. Say, you know, if he provide for his children. Eh? The mother can't enter inside bush. After see, remind me. When go inside bush, go they look for cassava, go they look for isekbe. Yeah, we'll look for isekbe. We'll look for pepper. We'll they look waka inside small children without no slippers for Lego. We'll go for bush, go they look for things where go people will take cook more eat. Eh? And they see my children, they look that they eat fine, they throw food safe. My mind I will remember back of my young age. I go sit there, say, man, they throw food because they get children, they'll be saying no food. Even me, they say, hey mama, I say, yeah. I say, yes. I tell them my story, they look me. I say, you children are lucky. You are lucky to born in Germany. One of the best countries in the world. You are lucky to born here. So then they go watch TV, they go see children when hungry they be there. It remind me when my son was just a small boy. He looked at the TV, look, he said, this person with my mama get this color. Now he asked me. He said, mama, what did you do the pikin? Where the pikin be like this? I said, you still did small, my son that time. He said it was no good. He said, no, the pikin no eat, no, why the pikin did like that? You understand? Now when they big, I can't try to explain to her. Say now children be say they not to get food to eat. He look me one day, look me along, we come from school. Say, mama, if I have money, I'll go to Africa and help these poor children. Because imagine him they eat anything where you want. If you eat this one, you go eat and remember say, no, I don't want this one. Go fridge, go check, go everywhere. Take food the way you want, skip and if you don't want it. Sometimes you make food, give them for school, they'll say not be that one they want. They want to go to baker, right? They won't go to baker, go take something for bake. And you as a mother, you have to pet them if you don't want them to take. Or is they will tell you say it's their right to take because government they see they support you and their money. But Africa children no. You see them, they see pure water, they waka, they see pure water, they waka, they see pure water, they waka, they carry, they suffer for you see children, oh God, no good clothes, no good care. Bashoko, abuse children for road. What am I talking about now? What am I talking? Why am I coming out to my reason why I'm talking about this? Because that Mazi Kanu case is still they worry me for my head. That is, I said, oh God, if this man, anything with these people, where they succeed to give this man RIP, I know go happen in Jesus' name. All our hope don't die too. I don't know why the children of Israel are not the year word. The time of Moses is the same. Stubbornness of the children of Israel now make them not quickly reach the promised land. Why when they fight Ekpa? All this. Why when they fight Simon Ekpa? Because the man now, he is saying the truth. Why are you people fighting yourself? Why you cannot just cooperate, even though you don't like each other? But because of the sake of Biafra, Mazi Kanu, you people should come together. Because we debtors we are looking. Not that some people don't want to support the debtors, because Igbos, they will betray themselves. It's not only the Igbo who are betraying each other. Yeah, because if I talk, Igbo might betray me and Calabar might betray me. Even my own fellow Orobo betray me. The Benis around this community betray me. We black is in our I would say DNA, I don't know. We like betray each other. We like to betray each other. This is not the time to fight for position or to fight for who go take order or not go take order. This is the time to put it together and do the right thing, so that Mazi Kanu go fit come out from where they put and so. Because these people, they have plan, and those people who betray Mazi